Thanks for taking a minute out of your day. On this video, I want to show you two things that car count hackers are doing today and show you exactly how you can do it. I'm going to show you some of the responses that are coming in already, and I got a special offer for you at the very end. Oh, and it's not going to cost you a nickel. All you have to do right now is buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, it's Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day to watch this. I'm going to call it an important critical update video. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I said at the beginning of this video, I was going to give you a couple of things that you can do and show you exactly what's happening with some of the car count hackers that I work with. And I'm going to give you some details here, and you might want to just grab a pad and pen because I'm going to show you exactly how this is being done. And I'm even going to share, I've got an email in here with some of the response that's already started to happen. I want to share that with you. So let's get started. So right now I'm going to share my phone with you because this was all done by text message. So right here's a quick look at a simple "We're Open" ad. Now listen, understanding that we're in some strange and weird times, it's sort of important to reach out and tell your customers that we're open. If you want to take it a step further, offer a free pickup and return of your vehicle. And listen, you can put in details here as to, whether you're going to do it in a specific area, or I don't like the idea of a 3-mile or 5-mile radius. Tell people specifically what you're going to offer them, or just have them call for details and they can get their appointment right now. So customers who get this can go ahead and book their appointment on this simple form, and all they need to do is select that they want the free pickup and return, using that almost as a coupon. Tell them how to contact them back for a confirmation of that appointment, and they can book their appointment right there. But the second part, and here's where you might want to grab a pad and pen. I don't care if you follow this verbatim, or feel free to change any of this to the situation that you're in. But this notice was sent out, or a similar notice was sent out by several shop owners operating this system, and here's exactly what they said. They said it's a critical update. We remain open. The situation is very fluid, and we're taking every step to advance our process to meet the circumstances we encounter. Our staff, suppliers, and their staff are following guidelines for social distancing to ensure customer and employee safety. Understand the steps we're taking. Staff have been instructed to stay at home if they are exhibiting any flu-like symptoms. Effective immediately, our waiting room is not available for the foreseeable future. Please call or text us in advance if you plan to visit. We're rigorously maintaining hygiene and cleaning practices, including increased frequency of cleaning common high-contact areas such as countertops, door handles, payment terminals, and pin pads. In addition, we've increased cleaning and sanitizing efforts in all areas of our office, shop, and washrooms. All delivery drivers and suppliers visiting our locations have been asked to observe social distancing guidelines and will not exchange materials with our staff. With respect to your vehicle, all staff use gloves whenever in contact with your vehicle, including steering wheel, shifter, signal levers, door handles, and armrests. We maintain a clean loaner vehicle if required. Please call in advance for details. Our priority is the health and safety of our customers, our staff, and our community. We sincerely appreciate your patience as we adapt our activities to meet the demands of the situation. Thank you for your support. So of course, you can go ahead and pause this video and jot down any of that, and you're welcome to use it just that way. Now, of course, if you don't have a loaner car, again, you're going to make the changes that you need. Understand that this is, when I say fluid situation, it's not that it changes week to week or day to day. In some cases, some of the shop owners I'm talking to, this is changing hourly. So you have to take all this information with that grain of salt. But what's so important about this? Well, first of all, let me share. I told you I had an email come back from one of my shops that I work with, and the response was, I could go on and read pages of this, but the response from the critical update was really a big thank you for doing what you have to do. So listen, shop owners talk to me and say, well, where do I start with my marketing? What am I doing? Now, this wasn't intended to be a marketing, get cars in your shop, because let's face it, we're in unprecedented times. Now, just let me give you an idea of what some of the specific comments were coming back. And listen, they're all virtually the same, and there were all kinds of them. But one that stood out was the fact that this particular customer said, I appreciate the update, and now I will send my vehicle in for repair this afternoon. Another one was, appreciate your text to let us know the precautions that you're taking in staying safe. And another one was, thanks for the update. I'd like to book an appointment for. Well, listen, I told you at the beginning, this wasn't an idea to get car count as much as taking a position in your market as a community leader and saying, we understand we've got some problems we have to deal with. We're stepping up to the plate to do those things. And the result was, well, car count. What can I say? Now, at the beginning of this video, I said that I also had a special for you, and I don't want you to run away because it's, to buy something. Listen, I'm getting calls, emails, texts, and all that from shop owners all over. And I'm telling you this, I've been doing this for a long time, and I can pretty quickly give you a couple of things that you can do. I just need to know a couple of things about your shop. It would be impossible for me to know everything about your repair shop, your market, what you do, and all that stuff. So just a couple of questions back and forth on the phone, 10 minutes. I promise I'll give you 3 different strategies that will work in your particular situation. And it's not a sneaky sales pitch, or I'm not trying to pull a wool over your eyes. It's that simple. So if you go in the links below here and Ask the Car Count Fixer, and go ahead and send me a quick question and tell me the best time and day to get in touch with you, I will email you back and schedule a call with you, and we'll get on the phone. I'm telling you, it's going to take 10 minutes, but I'll give you, I promise, 3 different things that you can do immediately with everything that you've got. You don't have to go out and buy anything. You don't have to go out and do anything. And just go ahead and do that. I promise I will help you the best way I can to get through this situation. And last but not least, I have to tell you, there has been just an overwhelming response to my free text program. Well, it's a free trial, and there's been some updates. We have been inundated, and in fact, last time I checked, actually just earlier this morning, we're about 2 hours into the day here, and our systems have already rattled out 3,000 or 4,000 text messages from car count hackers who are using the system. But our 14-day free trial is now turned into a 7-day free trial, but it's still the same free trial. So if you've got some time now, I'm going to leave a link below here, and go ahead and hit me up for a free trial on the GoMo text messaging system. I'll show you how you can start texting your customers, do broadcasting, and take a simple 3-click strategy to send out messages to all of your customers, all in a click. And if you're still hanging around on this video, go ahead and watch this one here about marketing your repair shop through 2020. And YouTube says, here's the next one that you're probably going to want to see. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Hang tough. We'll get through this. Take care. Talk real soon.